Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best chicken salad ever. First, let's talk about the star ingredient, the chicken. For the most tender and flavorful result, I recommend poaching or roasting 2 large chicken breasts. Once cooked, shred or dice the chicken into uniform half-inch pieces. It's crucial to let the chicken cool completely before combining it with other ingredients. This step ensures a creamy, not greasy, texture for your delicious salad. Next, we'll craft the perfect creamy dressing that binds everything together. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. To brighten the flavors, add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Finish by seasoning with about half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This creates a balanced and incredibly flavorful base for your salad. Now, let's elevate our chicken salad with some essential add-ins. For that classic crunch, finely dice about half a cup of crisp celery. To introduce a mild, savory note, chop 1/4 cup of red onion very finely. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness and extra texture, consider adding 1/4 cup of toasted pecans or halved red grapes. These ingredients provide a delightful contrast to the creamy chicken. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Combine your cooled chicken, creamy dressing, and all your chosen add-ins in a large bowl. Gently fold everything until it's just combined, being careful not to overmix. For the best flavor, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your perfect chicken salad on toasted bread or in crisp lettuce cups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.